This is TowerUp, the one-man wind turbine raising system. And this is what happens when you don't have it. According to the National Hurricane Center's database, there are approximately 6.4 hurricanes that develop every year. And what do you do when these hurricanes hit? That's right, you lower your wind turbine down to safety. Ouch. 2017 was a hyperactive hurricane season. There were 17 named storms, 10 of which were developed hurricanes. I mean, really, how many times do you want to do this year? That's why we've developed TowerUp, the one-man wind turbine raising system. TowerUp is mechanically advanced, with a built-in lifting mechanism that is designed to eliminate most of the physical labor in raising and lowering your wind turbine tower. A single operator can now get the job done in under 90 seconds. It's fast, easy, and cost-effective. Especially when you don't have to gather a crew.
Hi, my name is Raymond, and I'm the product designer of TowerUp. As we can see, traditional approaches on the tower requires 3 to 4 people and heavy lifting tools to accomplish. This makes maintenance, upgrades, and responding to changes in weather conditions very time-consuming and expensive. With TowerUp, all these unnecessary expenses will be eliminated.
We have spent the last year designing, engineering, and optimizing our prototypes, just to prepare you with a safe and functional foundation for this year's hurricane season. And now, we need your support to bring this project to life. If you care for a safer and better wind power generation system, please back our project today.
Thank you for your support.
Together, we can strive towards a greener future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There we go.